Yes. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning cô giáo.
How are you? Merry Christmas. Yes, yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Wait,
Okay,
Kate.
no teacher.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Kate. Okay.
Merry Christmas, teacher.
Okay, wait. Where is your brother?
My brother is watching a TV.
Do you have
That,
class today?
huh?
Do you have class today? Class.
Yeah.
Oh, in my country, we don't have class because it's vacation already. So we don't have class.
Mm-hmm.
It's vacation time. Okay. So today, Kate, let us have Unit 49. Wait me ha.
Party. Okay.
Busy family. Okay, so you will gonna have busy family. Okay.
Mm.
So we have here. Okay. So we have here, Kate, some of the words. We have tidy. So it means tidy means
Tidy.
clean. When you say tidy, it's clean, teacher Ann. Oh, it's clean.
Oh,
Another is
repair. Repair.
okay, repair.
Repair.
Okay, next is mistake.
Mistake.
Next is rocket. You know rocket, right?
Rocket. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next is
Rocket.
okay. Now, okay. How do we use enough and to? We use to mean it means more than. Okay, like too much, too lousy. Okay, it's more than. Okay. Too many, it means too many plus countable noun, it means too many people or too many phones, too many stuffed toys. Okay, that's too many. So
Mm-hmm.
it means countable, it means you can count. Countable, it means you can count. It means okay. Okay, so now please try to put two or enough. Okay, wait. You will use enough to means like your clothes are big enough. Okay. You've done
Okay.
enough. Okay, so you will use but you will use
Done.
two when you say it's more than one, more than sufficient, more than necessary. Okay, please answer this. You write your answer here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Kate.
Mm-hmm.
Go, Kate. Okay, go, Kate. Ako, Kate. Yes, Kate. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please, just answer. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Teacher, help me, please. Teacher, help me.
Okay, so here, three. There aren't black policemen in our town. What do you think is the answer?
I have two.
Okay, what are you writing? You write.
Do you have
Do you have blank information to help me with this problem?
I think
Oh, well, very, very fast. He wasn't strong enough. Yeah. Oh, there aren't enough policemen in our town. Do you have? Okay, enough information. Hey, it is two. Oh, this one very good. I do not have too much time. Wow, very good, Kate. I didn't buy the car
mm-hmm.
because it was two. Oh, wow, very good. And he didn't work hard. Wow, very good, Kate. My mom can't sleep because she drinks what? Too much coffee. She isn't old enough to start driving. Wow, very good. Yay, great job.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Yay. Okay, you listen and draw the lines. Look at the picture, Kate. You can see it's too messy. It's dirty. They're in the party. They're
Mm-hmm.
eating. Remember, huh? Please
Yeah.
remember what is in the picture. Please remember what is in the picture. Okay, go.
49A.
Okay.
Busy families. Listen and look. There is one example.
Who are all these people in your picture?
Hi, Mr. Boots. It's my mum, my brothers and sisters, and my cousins. We were all really busy that day.
I can see that. Is that one of your sisters? The girl on the floor?
Yes, that's Jane. She's playing with her dolls.
They're wearing pretty dresses.
She likes dressing them up in funny costumes too sometimes.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
My brother David is always hungry.
Which boy is he? The one with curly black hair?
That's right, and the sandwiches.
Did he make those?
He likes cooking, but no, Mum made them for him. Do you know my cousin Sally?
No. Which one's she in your picture?
She's the girl who's outside. She's making a snowman.
The one with long blonde hair?
No, the other one. She's got a purple scarf round her neck. Poor Lucy had quite a lot of homework that afternoon.
Doesn't she enjoy writing?
She prefers reading, playing chess, or making things. Look, she's wearing her favourite hat.
Why?
She says it's her lucky hat. I don't know how she can study in our kitchen. It's always so noisy there.
Why is that boy cutting up that newspaper? Was he doing some English homework?
Art, actually. That's Jack. He was helping my other sister to make her model of a spaceship. He's really good at that. He wants to be a designer or engineer one day.
Well, it looks quite difficult.
It was. They couldn't make the rocket tall enough. Our house is usually quite untidy, but my oldest sister doesn't mind that.
Doesn't she? Which girl is she?
The one who's cleaning the floor. She's really nice. She's never unkind to anyone.
That's good. I see she's got a brush in her hand.
Yes, that's right. Her name's Vicky. I think I'll go and tidy my room up now. See you later, Mr. Boots.
Okay.
Then again.
Okay. Wait,
49A. Busy families. Listen and look. There is one example.
Who are all these people in your picture?
Hi, Mr. Boots. It's my mum, my brothers and sisters, and my cousins. We were all really busy that day.
I can see that. Is that one of your sisters? The girl on the floor?
Yes, that's Jane. She's playing with her dolls.
They're wearing pretty dresses.
She likes dressing them up in funny costumes too sometimes.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
My brother David is always hungry.
Which boy is he? The one with curly black hair?
That's right, and the sandwiches.
Did he make those?
He likes cooking, but no, Mum made them for him. Do you know my cousin Sally?
No. Which one's she in your picture?
She's the girl who's outside. She's making a snowman.
The one with long blonde hair?
No, the other one. She's got a purple scarf round her neck. Poor Lucy had quite a lot of homework that afternoon.
Doesn't she enjoy writing?
She prefers reading, playing chess, or making things. Look, she's wearing her favourite hat.
Why?
She says it's her lucky hat. I don't know how she can study in our kitchen. It's always so noisy there.
Why is that boy cutting up that newspaper? Was he doing some English homework?
Art, actually. That's Jack. He was helping my other sister to make her model of a spaceship. He's really good at that. He wants to be a designer or engineer one day.
Well, it looks quite difficult.
It was. They couldn't make the rocket tall enough. Our house is usually quite untidy, but my oldest sister doesn't mind that.
Doesn't she? Which girl is she?
The one who's cleaning the floor. She's really nice. She's never unkind to anyone.
That's good. I see she's got a brush in her hand.
Yes, that's right. Her name's Vicky. I think I'll go and tidy my room up now. See you later, Mr. Boots.
Okay.
Okay, so we have here. First, we have David. Yay. Next
David.
one, we have Sally. And next one, this is Lucy. Okay, Lucy
Lucy.
looks sad. And then we have Jack.
Egg.
Another, we have Vicky. Oh, Vicky has a curly hair. So nice. And, okay, try to remember everything you can see. Please try to remember
see, I
everything
can
that
see.
you can see.
I
Okay,
can
look at that.
see.
Wait me. No. Please take a picture. You look at properly. Okay? And then remember what you can see.
I can see the...
Look at that. Please try to remember everything you can see because you will answer the question later. Okay? Look at the picture properly and please remember what you can see.
I can see the girl is do her homework.
Look at. Remember.
I can see the rabbit is eating a sandwich. I can see the girls have have a purple scarf and short hair. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, look at what else you can see. Look at the pictures. What the mom is doing.
I can see the the girl is playing with her doll. I can
What else?
I can see uh mom is cooking cooked the breakfast with her family.
Okay. Okay, so here now. Okay, you remember where is the knife? Where can you find the knife? Okay. How many dolls does the girl is having?
The girl is cleaning the floor is it
Okay, so here now, look at this and please answer the question. Okay, look at her. These questions is from the picture that I told you to remember. Okay, here.
uh
Okay. How many knives were there? Oh, if you were gonna look at how many knives or knife are there?
people had curly hair. Mm, the girl is cleaning the floor. Curly hair.
How many people?
Could you help me?
Okay. How many knives? Okay, look at this. Please remember. Oh, do you have cell phone? Do you have phone with you?
No.
Oh, if you have phone, please try to look at this one. Okay, I will take a screenshot and then look at this in the Zalo. Okay, ha? Look at in the chat, the Zalo. You can see this one. You can see the picture. So you will remember. Okay, wait. I'm sending pictures. Okay, I send the pictures in the Zalo and please remember. Okay, okay now. Okay, let us go to the. I wait. Let us go to the questions. Hmm. Wait. Okay, this one. Okay. Now, please remember the pictures. Okay, it is said, how many knives? How many knives? Can you see how many knives? There
I
are?
can see,
Oh,
I
can you see
can
now?
see. What mean knife?
Knife, this one, knife. This one. The one you cut in the bread.
I can see
It's
a
knife.
one knife.
Okay, you have two. One and two.
There.
Okay.
Two. Okay.
Yes. Look at her.
Yeah.
Please remember. Okay. How many people had curly hair? How many?
It.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that one. Please remember. Okay. Please answer. Answer now the question. You write
Two
it.
people had curly hair.
Okay. Let me see. Okay. Three people. Okay. There are three. Can you find the three? Three people had curly hair. Okay. One.
Yeah.
This one. Two and three. The boy. Okay. Where was the butter? Where was the butter? Look at
Butter. I can see one butter.
where was the butter?
This butter next to the knives.
Okay. The butter is next to the knife. Okay, near the bread. Okay, here. The bread is here and this is the butter. Where were the sandwiches? Where were the sandwiches? Where were the sandwiches?
Um, the sandwich is the mom. The mom had a sandwiches.
Okay, the sandwiches is on the plate near the cupboard. Here. This is the sandwiches near the mom. How many dolls were in the floor? How many dolls were in the floor?
I can see one, two, three, four. There are five drawer in the floor.
There are
Five door.
There are five dolls in the floor. Let me see. Oh, five dolls. Very good. Okay, this one. Now, look at this. You pick the correct answer here, huh? You choose here the answer. Okay? You write here in this blank, you write the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Mhm. Mm. Okay.
Okay, so we have here the girl with the long brush is helping to tidy the room. The woman is cutting some bread to make. Okay, more sandwiches. The girl with the pen is trying to do
To
her
her.
homework. Very good. Two girls with warm clothes are what?
Make
Oh, make a snowman. Yeah, very good. The girls with the glue is trying to what?
repair the
Repair the
rocket.
rocket. Yeah. He's trying to repair the rocket with the glue. Oh, very good. Yeah. Okay. At this. Now, underline the correct answer. Okay. Kate, please underline the correct answer. Okay. Please underline the correct answer.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay. Hey, who makes, who does, do you enjoy making? Do you hate or love? Are you good at making? Oh, which do you prefer doing? Number last is do. Wow, very good, Kate. Girl, great job, Kate. Okay, listen to the story. Oh, listen, ha. Imagine the pictures and answer the questions. Okay, so look at the questions. Oh, it is a story. Okay, look at the story. Okay, here. Mom, Tom, and Zoo are cleaning the kitchen, Kate. A mouse and a cat come into the kitchen, and now the kitchen is dirty again. So the family members are cleaning the kitchen. Now, question, what do you think mom is cleaning? What do you think? Okay, what do you think mom is cleaning? What do you think?
I think
What do you think mom is cleaning? What do you think mom is cleaning? Hmm? What do you think? What do you think mom is cleaning?
I think the mom cooking the
Do you think mom is?
cooking the sandwiches.
Mm-hmm. Okay, mom is cooking in the kitchen. But what do you think mom is cleaning? Mom is cleaning the what? Mom is cleaning the kitchen. And then, how old do you think are Tom, Zoe, and Sue? How old do you think are they? They are? How old do you think are they?
Mother.
How old do you think they are? They are, how old do you think they are? They are
They are
8 years old, 7 years old. How old are they? They are, how old do you think? Just imagine, how old do you think they are? They are 6 years old. Oh, what are they cleaning? They are cleaning what? What are they cleaning? They are cleaning
they're cleaning
the kitchen. Okay. So if you were gonna look at the picture, look at the picture. So first, tell me the first picture. Please tell me the first picture. What do you think you can say about the first picture? Tell me the first picture. Okay, please tell me the first picture. Okay, tell me the first picture.
um
Okay, tell me the first picture.
first picture. The boy is cleaning. The her family is cleaning her house. In picture two, the cat is run catches the mouse. In picture two, in picture two, the girl, the mouse is running in her house and act.
Okay, they are cleaning the kitchen in the house. How about number two? Look at the second picture. What do you think the second picture is showing? What do you think the second picture is doing? Look at the second picture. The second picture is, look. Okay, look at the second picture. Look at this. What can you say?
The cat is catching a mouse.
Okay, the cat is catching the mouse. How about number three? Look at the last picture.
The her is afraid of because cat is running and very dirty.
Okay, yes, okay, because of that. Okay, Kate, we don't have enough time, teacher, and we'll see you on when? Uh,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow? Today is Thursday, right? So I will see you on Saturday. Okay? Bye, Kate. See you
Bye,
on
teacher.
Saturday.